पहले तो ये बताइए, न्यू ईयर आने वाला है, तो क्या प्लान्स हैं इस साल न्यू ईयर के?
शूट एंड मोर शूट क्योंकि कुछ लोग अवेलेबल नहीं है, हम एक्टर्स अवेलेबल हैं, तो हम लोग बहुत सारा काम कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारी मेहनत कर रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा किसी भी प्लानिंग का या कुछ भी, तो एंड मोमेंट में ही हमें पता चलेगा कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं। बट आई होप एवरीबडी एल्स हैज वंडरफुल प्लान्स।
या एग्जैक्टली, आई विश कि हम नहीं मना पाए तो वो तो मना पाए।
एब्सोल्युटली।
ओके, आप लोग न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन में कितना बिलीव करते हैं?
मैं नहीं करती क्योंकि मैं फॉलो नहीं करती।
मैं हर साल बिलीव करती हूँ और फिर 1 महीने के बाद वो बिलीव कहीं चला जाता है। तो दो रेजोल्यूशंस होते हैं मेरे हर साल और दोनों टूटते हैं। एक टू बी ऑन टाइम एंड सेकंड टू बी हेल्दी। नथिंग।
Now you have a very bad habit of not reaching on time.
Absolutely.
She's
yes, definitely late.
सबके रिकॉर्ड इसने नहीं तोड़े।
मैं बड़ी कोशिशें करती हूँ, सब करती हूँ, बट हो ही नहीं पाता, तो ना गिवन अप। बट हो ही नहीं पाता तो ना गिवन अप। नो मोर रेजोल्यूशंस टू बी ऑन टाइम।
ओके, आपके हिसाब से आपके जो को स्टार्स हैं उनको क्या रेजोल्यूशन इस बार रखने चाहिए? सबसे पहले नकुल से स्टार्ट करते हैं, आप दोनों बताइए।
Oh God, this is a tricky one. I think Nakul should eat a little more unhealthy. That should be his resolution. Because मैं तो जब देखी हूँ कि ये ककड़ी और कैरेट वगैरह कुछ खा रहे होते हैं, I hope to see him eating something unhealthy in future. ताकि हमें भी थोड़ा अच्छा लगे।
Yeah, I think he should stop fidgeting with his hair. He does that.
Yeah, she has a huge problem with that.
Yeah, and probably stop taking a lot of holidays that he does.
ओके, कुणाल।
Kunal not work too much with him, so I don't know much of him. But I think he should lose some weight. But I think he's working on his body, and because he has an excellent face and excellent features, his face is so charming. Just the body, I think he is working on it, and he's very dedicated. So I think he's doing his bit.
I ditto.
Yeah. Now he's a gym freak, so I'm sure she's going to agree. So yeah.
Lineage. Mattu. We call him Mattu.
Mattu should eat, yeah. He seriously, genuinely should eat. Because वो बहुत ही dedicated है, and I think he should eat.
ओके, आप?
I think he should get a little less serious about his fitness because he's too serious. So I think kabhi he should just loosen up and have some fun and eat whatever is there on set.
ओके, नेहा।
I love my doll. I think she's perfect the way she is. So she's been trying to lose some weight. So I think I hope she manages to do so.
Yeah, she's motivated enough and consistent enough to do that because that's what she's been trying to do.
बस सब कुछ weight और सब कुछ ये सब
ये हम actors है ना, हम क्या कर सकते हैं? It's all about
just
appearances.
Yeah.
Essentially.
Yeah.
ओके, एक दूसरे के बारे में बता दीजिए आपके हिसाब से।
Now you should stop looking so hot.
Oh my God. Achha, Surbhi should stop laughing when we are having a face-off and intense scene.
No, but it's just not with you, Navina. I think I'm so bad at this. I can never be serious.
So we have this really bad Tashanwala scene going on, and suddenly Anika will look at me and start smiling, and then I'll feel like laughing. So there it goes. So that is the only thing that she needs to do. Otherwise, I think she's perfect. I can just keep looking at her and the way she's acting and the way she is. I think she's amazing.
No, but you know one thing about her is.
The thing. Let me talk. The thing is,
but that's actually हम यहाँ तारीफ कर रहे हैं, but I think.
Yeah, I think she's so beautiful inside that it shows on the outside. Some people are just like that. So
and my only thing that I keep telling her is I've never seen somebody so helpful. She has everybody knows the kind of experience she has, and she's been so popular on television and since years and all of that. So I thought when I saw her that she might just have some air. बट मतलब मेरा पोपट हो गया बिकॉज ऑन द कॉन्ट्री शी इज द वन तो ऐसे कर लेना वैसे कर लेना ये लगा ले तो ऐसा कर ले एंड आई हैव नेवर सीन समबडी
cool tip exchange thing.
Yeah, so which I do not.
And now we know who's more popular. We all know.
But actors में ऐसा होता नहीं है usually. So when I got to know about how Navina is as a person, I think everybody on set is so crazy and so nice and so grounded.
Yeah,
it makes
that
the whole
works
environment
for
so
everyone.
amazing.
Everyone's approachable. Everyone is warm. Everyone has a bond.
Yeah.
ओके, इस साल एंड होने जा रहा था, कोई एक फनी मेमोरी रही हो?
कितना मैं इनको हंसाती हूँ, ये तो बोलेंगे बहुत सारे फनी मेमोरीज हैं ना इनको। हम प्रोमो कर रहे हैं तो हम हंस रहे हैं, हम शूट कर रहे हैं ऐसे सीन्स तो हम हंस रहे हैं, तो बहुत सारे फनी मेमोरीज हैं।
Actually, too many to it. Too many. Yeah, true.
बहुत सारे हैं।
ओके, कोई एक बता दे।
अरे चल ना पका।
last one. You hope you're not funny. And then promo where she was throwing me out. She throws me out. She's looking at me and she starts laughing. So obviously that was funny.
Yeah. But off work, there are a lot of funny memories.
Yeah.
But I can't think of anything right
Okay.
Yeah,
लास्टली फैंस को क्या कहना चाहेंगे न्यू ईयर?
आप लोग का आने वाला साल बहुत ही
Amazing, right?
और वो हिंदी में क्या होता है मंगलमय
हाँ
मंगलमय सही
मंगल
बोला
में
मैंने?
हाँ हाँ
मंगलमय हो कड़क हो हमारी तरह और
टाट हो टाट हो टाट The Marathi word I've heard.
थैंक्स फॉर टीचिंग मी दिस
Tat is like fantastic.
अच्छा तो अब मैं बोलने वाली हूँ टिया टेक्निकल
Tat. Tat. Which me.
Okay, so I think everybody should have a great new year.
And I hope you all stick to your resolution.